I'm over here in Clifton Park. We had freezing rain throughout the night. Here's the evidence of it. And this is a homeowner association responsible for the common areas. And what I'm going to do is pick a virgin spot and show how our treated salt works. If this was any other material, I don't think you're going to get as near as clearance on the ground. But my goal is to, with one hand, just gently put down the shovel and see if we can hit pavement, and let's see how far we can go with it and see if we get grip back for safety. Wow, look at that. I could just keep on going. That is freaking amazing. Look at that. All grip, no slip. All right. Have any questions? Give us a call. 518-728-0311. Thank you.